In the world of home automation, thermostats play a key role in ensuring that your living environment is as comfortable as possible, while also being energy efficient. For homeowners who prefer simplicity and ease of use, the Heagstat digital non-programmable thermostat emerges as a top choice for controlling temperature in single-stage heating and cooling systems. This intuitive, reliable, and highly functional thermostat offers a straightforward approach to managing your home's climate. Whether you're upgrading an old unit or setting up a new system, this Heagstat thermostat promises to simplify your daily routine. Let's take an in-depth look at what makes this device stand out in the crowded thermostat market. Why choose the Heagstat digital non-programmable thermostat? The Heagstat digital thermostat is ideal for homeowners seeking a hassle-free way to control their home temperature. With a clear display, simple settings, and effective energy-saving features, this thermostat strikes the perfect balance between convenience and performance. Here are the key reasons why you should consider the Heagstat digital thermostat for your home. Many thermostats today come loaded with a variety of features and complex settings that may feel overwhelming, especially for users who prefer simplicity. The Heagstat digital thermostat is non-programmable, meaning it offers basic functionality without the complexities of advanced settings. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward solution that's easy to operate. Ideal for single-stage heating and cooling systems, the thermostat is compatible with electric or gas-oil configurable systems, forced air heating, cooling only, and gas fireplaces. No need for scheduling or programming, simply adjust the temperature manually to suit your needs. One of the standout features of this thermostat is its large font, easy-to-read display. Whether you're adjusting the temperature in a dimly lit room or simply want a more visible interface, the Heagstat digital thermostat won't disappoint. White backlit display for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. Large font ensures that the temperature is easily readable, even for those with impaired vision. User-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone, including seniors, to navigate and adjust the settings. The Heagstat digital thermostat allows you to set and maintain your preferred indoor temperature with precision. With a temperature control range of 44 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and a temperature display range of 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily adjust the thermostat to match your comfort levels. Temperature calibration. This thermostat features fine adjustment from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 4 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can ensure the temperature is accurate and consistent. Separate heating and cooling swing. This feature allows you to either extend or shorten the temperature cycle time, providing a more tailored and comfortable climate while reducing energy consumption. The Heagstat digital thermostat is not only designed to make your life easier, but also to help you save on heating and cooling costs. With features aimed at optimizing your HVAC system's performance, this thermostat can make a significant difference in reducing your energy consumption. Heating and cooling swing. By adjusting the cycle rate, you can prolong or shorten the time the system is in operation, which helps optimize energy usage and prevent overuse. Energy savings. By creating a more efficient cycle, you may see savings on your annual heating and cooling bills, making the Heagstat a cost-effective choice in the long run. The Heagstat digital thermostat offers dual power sources, giving you flexibility in how the device is powered. 24-volt power. Connect directly to your system's power supply for continuous operation. 2 AAA batteries. The thermostat can also be powered by 2 AAA batteries, allowing for easy installation even in systems without a C-wire. The Heagstat thermostat is designed with ease of installation in mind. The product includes clear wiring and installation instructions, ensuring that even first-time DIYers can handle the setup. Maximum 2 to 5 wires. Ensure your system is compatible before purchase, as the thermostat can only support connections with 2 to 5 wires. Systems with 6 to 8 wires are not suitable. Straightforward setup. Even if you're new to installing thermostats, the clear instructions will guide you every step of the way. The Heagstat digital thermostat comes with excellent customer support, offering peace of mind in case any issues arise during installation or operation. 24-hour customer service. Reach out to the Heagstat team anytime you need assistance with installation or troubleshooting. 2-year worry-free warranty. This warranty guarantees a risk-free experience, ensuring you're covered in case of any defects or issues with the thermostat. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.